Welcome. I hope you all are doing well. Today we'll start with class 8th geography lesson number 1, that is resources. This is your SST teacher Poonam Avasthi. In this chapter we will understand resources, their values and types. So in this part we will study about meaning and values. So let's begin. What is a resource? So what can we say about a resource? Any object which is of use to you can be called as resource. So children, if you are thinking about your mobile phones, laptop, computers, food, kitchen articles, etc., so you all are correct. These all are resources. So how can we define it? Any object or a substance which is usable, profitable or beneficial is called a resource. So I hope you are understanding what is a resource. Any object or a substance which is usable, which is profitable or beneficial to you is called a resource. Based on its utility or usability, we can say that this particular object is a resource. How? Think for some time. Any object or a substance which is not in the use or maybe not in the condition of use. So ultimately we are not using it. So will now also you will call it as a resource? No. Why? Because any object will be a resource when it has utility or usability. So any object which has utility or usability will turn into a resource. Any object which has utility or usability. Why we are saying it? Because utility give value to resource. How? If one pen is not usable for you, maybe you will stop valuing it because it is not working for you. So what use does? Use give value to resource. So here I have mentioned also use give it value, add value to a resource. And if I would give you an example of a tree is very valuable to us. We call that tree is a resource. How? Because trees provide us with many things, with fruits, vegetable, oxygen, and they add beauty to the nature also. So if I have to categorize under these two terms, economic value and aesthetic value, so how can we say that a tree has economic value? Because it provides material and services to us, so that we are saying trees has economic value. And because trees add beauty to their surrounding by adding colors, by adding clean air, so and help to shade also to you, they protect also to your home. Yes or no? So we can say that trees have economic as well as aesthetic value also. I hope till the time whatever you have done, you are understanding it, meaning, and it depends on utility and usability. Use give it value, and we can divide it into two further things, economic and aesthetic value. Now understand how does a substance becomes a resource. A substance with the help of time and technology becomes a resource. So who invented technology, and with the upgrowing time, who does all the changes? Human. How? Few examples I have mentioned here. Look here carefully. Discovery of fire, invented, and then we led to cooking. Discovery of wheel, and then more transportation. Conversion of water into electricity. And a very good example I have written here. You can see any home remedy which maybe your parents used to tell you for cold, cough and anything, and you use it and you get well soon with it. So what happened? If a company takes that home remedy and makes a medicine out of it, so what can be done? If company wants to keep the exclusive right of that idea or invention, so they go through a process of patent. What is patent? It means having an exclusive right over any idea or invention. They want that there should be exclusive right. It means they want to increase the economic value of the product, of the resource. So how does a substance becomes a resource? With the help of time and technology. Few examples I have mentioned, and you have understood what is patent. I hope you all are getting it. So I have told you that who is using all of these technology? Human. So can we say human is also a resource? Yes, we can say that human is also a resource. How? Because it is human who is using all of these things and converting into more useful resource. So here one definition I have given: the people who make up the workforce for a nation or for the organization, for an economy, called as human resource. So if I'll ask you, people themselves are most important resource. Can we say yes? Yes, people themselves are most important resource. How? Because it is humans' ideas, knowledge, inventions and discoveries that lead to discoveries of more resources. I hope till the time two concepts we have done: meaning and value, and after that how does a substance becomes a resource. A very small assignment I have given here, only 4 small very brief questions I have given. New words which we discussed are mentioned here. I will add this sheet in the description box. So see, resource, any object which is usable, profitable or beneficial to us is called a resource. Utility, the state of being useful. Value means useful, important. Patent, it means having an exclusive right. Human resource, the people who make up the workforce of an organization, industry or economy. Children, what can you do? Using these words, you can make your own sentences also, which will help you ultimately in making notes of the subject. Question number 1, see now, what are resources? How does a substance becomes a resource? Define patent. And in the chapter I have explained about economic and aesthetic value of a tree. Now I am giving you a task to write economic and aesthetic value of a river. Economic value of a river and aesthetic value of a river. If you are finding any doubt, you can come in the comment box for it. Children, this is the end of video. For pictures and assignment PDF, you can go to the description box. In case of any doubt, feel free to write to me in the comment box. Thank you so much. Keep watching, keep learning.